All right, here it is. We're going to go ride with Suburban Delinquent for the first time on the motocross track on his new Yamaha WR250F. Now, super cool. He's never really ridden dirt before. I guess he went out this last weekend and played around in the desert a little bit. But for the most part, he is a dirt rookie. And we are going to go out and ride the track with him. So, it's going to be cool. He rides a Gixxer 750 on the street. Tears it up, so he's a proficient rider. Just he's never really ridden in the dirt. So today, we're going to take him out to the motocross track and show him how it's done. Leaving Chaparral Motorsports. Our chase truck up there. Going to be using that to haul the camera equipment over, set it up, get some shots of Stub D, learn how to ride his dirt bike at an actual dirt bike track. If you don't know who Suburban Delinquent is, he's a local moto vlogger here in California. Got his start about 5 years ago doing short clips. Pretty amazing. So he's been able to grow his YouTube channel to almost 500,000 subscribers. He typically gets about, 30,000 views or so per video within that 48-hour period. It's pretty substantial. It's phenomenal, actually. Nice work, Sub D. You're the man. Anyway, so now he's been doing this thing for like 5 years, and motovlogging on his street bike is, definitely his bread and butter. But he wanted to start getting into dirt after riding his sport bike to the top of Saddleback Mountain. Super sketch. So if you haven't checked that out, dude, I highly recommend you go to his channel. I'll put a link in the description of this video. Go take a look at Sub D climbing Saddleback on his Gixxer 750. And today we're going to go to the track. We're going to see Sub D tear up some dirt. So I'm going to go ahead and tune out, check out, turn the camera back on as we get close to the track. See you there. All right, super exciting. So this right here is Milestone Motocross track. We're going to be out here with Suburban Delinquent, teaching him how to hit some of these jumps and how to grind some of these corners. Here we are pulling into the track. What's up, T. Snyder? Are you naked? Almost. So today you're going to be teaching Sub D how to ride a dirt bike on a motocross track. What do you think about that?
I'm excited. I think he's a little nervous.
A little nervous?
It's a beautiful day to ride a dirt bike, I'll tell you that.
Dude, it's all overcast, a little bit of sprinkles coming down. It's nice. Hey, if you're in the need for pools, this guy right here, Iconic Pools Spas, they're the guys to go see. This guy works part-time for him, so give us a little plug-in for Iconic here.
Iconic Pools, they do all remodels, they do new pools. If your equipment goes out, if you have a leak under your deck, call Iconic Pools, they'll fix it.
All right. Well, we're going to peace out now. We're going to wait for Sub D to get here. We're going to give him a walk around of his motorcycle, teach him what to do and what not to do when he first gets to a motocross track. And then we're going to set him out to the wolves. So for those of you who aren't aware, this is Mr. Suburban Delinquent himself. Usually rides a Gixxer 750. Today, he's going to be on his brand new Yamaha WR250F. Now, Travis here is our resident motocross guy. He's going to take us around the track. So Travis is going to be given the heads up, the tutorials, the instruction. I'm going to hang out behind on my big behemoth over here, 1190 cc's. Going to kind of chase you around and see if we can get some good action out there. But it's going to be pretty fun, man. Pretty cool, dude. Look at that little kid up there. He's Travis is saying it's a battle between the little kid. I got it. Okay. Alright, dude, there you go. How's it going?
Good. I'm gonna have him watch it. Right here. Yeah, right there. Going off now.
So I don't know if you explained it or not, but what they're doing when they're coming into those corners, and this foot's out, the other foot's actually pushing on the peg on the other side. So when they're going up, they're actually weighting that outside foot peg that's pushing tires into the ground. Oh, nice jump, dude. You guys see that? That was officially Suburban Delinquent's first air on this new WR.
Oh, look at this guy.
Oh, look at this guy. He's a pro. Here we have a Suburban Delinquent coming up. Oh, guys, that was awesome, man. Hey, rock on. Dude, you were amazing. Watch you hit those jumps, get those corners. It was pretty awesome. Travis, thanks for helping out. But, hey, it was good hanging out with you. Have some more fun with Travis. Learn some more stuff. And next time we come out, I'll probably have to get a smaller bike because I won't be able to keep up with you anymore. Alrighty. Well, you guys take care. Have a good one. Yeah, that was a fun day. Hooked up with Suburban Delinquent. Hit the motocross track. Dude, tons of fun.